Welcome back to Beachside City News, reporting to you live from downtown Beachside City. There's an election going on today about electing a new mayor. Here are the results so far. 75,000 people vote, new 45, 70, What? I thought he was never allowed to elect again. I guess he's being elected this time. The other results are in. Big Dragon Author got a 35% vote. Gamer Gore got a 10% vote. So yeah, Nuke 4570 wins the election this year. It's a beautiful 55 degrees out. Perfect weather to go to the beach, have fun, and just have a good day, I guess. There's nothing much. We interrupt your regular programming at the request of the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is MBVC 37 Minecraft. We will continue providing news and information for this local area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. Listen closely, as this broadcast contains vital information for your safety. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility, the Minecraft Government, Beachside City Police Department, Beachside County Geological Survey, Beachside County Emergency Management, Beachside County Space Force, Madison County Space Force, Madison County Geological Survey, Madison County and the Madison County Government, and the Minecraft Military, Department of Defense, and Department of Homeland Security. At approximately 3:35 p.m. Minecraft Standard Time, the Madison County and the Beachside County Space Forces both discovered that the sun is expanding at 0.3 meters a second. This quick expansion will result in the engulfment of the following planets: Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Mercury will be engulfed by the sun in 2 weeks. The Venus will be engulfed by the sun in 4 weeks. And Earth will be engulfed by the sun in 6 weeks. Sadly, there is nothing we can do. The Everything Canadians and Steel Leaf Private Research Facility are both ceasing mass evacuations as most of the population has already been evacuated. All dimensions are ceasing to exist as their stars and universes go kablooey. The Minecraft dimension's the last one left, and the sun is rapidly expanding. This is the cause of the sun's helium fuel ceasing, meaning that the sun's going to expand. There's sadly nothing we can do. A mega ship that's expected to be built in the next 4 weeks, which is just in the nick of time, is gonna be there in Madison County, Beachside County, and the rest of the Minecraft and Roblox dimensions. These mega ships will evacuate major populations and other places with lots of people. Then the ships will take off, combine, and they will go back to Earth to pick up more citizens. Which, when the 2 weeks is up and Earth is engulfed, they will take off and head to Everything Land, where the citizens inside the ships will be dropped off. Billions and trillions of these mega ships have been built to help with evacuation and the movement of dimensions to Everything Land. At this time, you can do whatever you want, because the remainder of the citizens who are still alive will be evacuated whether they'll like it or not. You can do whatever you want. Hang out with family, friends, commit crime, do whatever. The police department will be ceasing operations, and so will all of the police and military. They will all cease operations, and they will no longer be available. The only available emergency services are fire and medical. So if you need a medic or you need a fire department, call them at their local numbers, which for medical is 223-457-5679. That's 223-447-5679. That number will be repeated throughout the TV stations. For fire, that's 223-673-4519. That's 233-457-5399. Which, well, they changed it just now, so, that'll be repeated again in multiple commercials. So, yeah. Enjoy the time you have left on Earth, because it won't be long before it's engulfed, and it will be long before everything's missing and gone. So, yeah. Enjoy the time we have left. I gotta find a way to stop the sun expanding. This is terrible. Alright, I need to get on my jet ski. So I can go to this nearby village. Where could you be? I thought there's a village around here somewhere. Village. Where could you be? There has to be a village somewhere. I don't think there isn't one, but there is. So I know that you can something. I do not know where the village is, so I'm gonna head to conspiracy to figure this out. Hold on. What's that noise? The sirens just went off. Stuck, I think. The sirens should be silent. city. Well, that's something. Guess I found my way back to the city. That's nothing. Well, there's not much we can truly do. Possible. Avoid going outside at all times. Repeating, avoid going outside at all times. Okay, yep. Beautiful timing. I don't think there really is a substantial shelter. There's a window. But that's not something. There's not many interior rooms. I might have to find a different house to seek shelter in. I see a nuclear bomb incoming. Alright, yep. Getting out of here. Repeating, getting out of here. Is there a shelter I can see? That's a window. That's not good. Oh, that's the window. That's a back of this. I guess I could get under the stairs. Years later, what happened? Pretend everything else is destroyed outside. My house is the only one that survived. the road. It's fine. What happens? Why did the sun engulfed everything but this house? How is that possible? This house is bound to be destroyed. Every other tree is gone. Hey, you citizen. I'm the mayor of this city. You remember that? Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were the mayor. Well, your city is destroyed and you did nothing about it. We tried to tell you that there was a missile coming, but you kept running. I was trying to find a shelter, like that house. Well, you're fired. It's not like there's very much I can mayor around here. I mean, is there? Nah, it's just your house left, mister. Well, I mean, that's fine. I guess I'm gonna head over to Conspiracy. I'm here. I'm finally here. Aye, let's go to the top. I heard the Steels now run this place after getting attacked by the Chaos military and some Renegaders that left the Chaos to attack the Steels, but died. The Renegade finally allied and just broke their #1 rule, which is to attack, which they failed to do. My favorite base in the entire world, Steel Base. I'm gonna make my presence known. The first time I did this, I broke the door down. There we go. Just gonna... Anyways. Anyone here? Oh, hey. Oh, hey, Mr. Steele. I'm glad you're back. I thought we fired you. I thought we got rid of you after you wouldn't help us. What happened to that? Well, sir, there's some more worse things we need to worry about. Which is... the sun crashed into Beachside City, and now my house is the only one left that actually managed to survive. Well, that's because we put an anti-sun barrier in your home, because that's the home that's your residence. Oh, okay, well, I'm sorry for forgetting about you guys for the duration I did. There's just not much I could truly do about the issue we had, like what was going on and all that stuff, you know? I understand. It's really hard to come to conclusions when your base is getting attacked by Renegaders who finally allied with us. We ran pretty much out of resources after after a couple new tribes and sub-tribes joined our alliance, like Imperius, Barter, Kiku, all of them. Oh yeah, I heard about that. Anyways, so... well, Mr. Steele, what are we gonna do now? Well, I don't know. What are you gonna do? I sent in a bunch of trucks, crates, and stuff filled to the brim with guns, ammo, weapons, weaponry, materials, and building stuff you could possibly need. Oh yeah, and some of the some more reality crushers. Because I heard you guys need some of those. That is true. We do need some reality crushers. Oh yeah, you can take the gun. You can take this as my gift. The G3? Why this? Why the G3? Because it's a cool gun, and also you can kill with it. Understandable. Can I talk to your boss? Oh no, all of the rest of the Steels are gone. They allied with the Everything-Nadians while I just sat here to run this base and they never came back. It's just like your dad when he left to get the milk. Oh no, don't remind me of that. I remember when he did that. I was like 5 years old. Good stuff to laugh on, isn't it? Well, I guess you could say that. It's not really laughable considering that happened to me, not you. But I guess we come to conclusions every now and then. Yeah, that's true. Well, I guess I'm just going to continue defending the base. No, I'm going to let you go on vacation. Really? You hardly even know what to do when the renegades attack. You hardly know what to do. It's like, why would I let you defend this base if you hardly even know what to do? All you've been doing is making videos, uploading them to YouTube, and then doing it again. You've never come back to check on us ever since a couple EAS scenarios ago when Man came to talk to you. That's it. That's the only time you ever visit this base. You do realize this is the base on order of operations base, one of the only ones that still remain that were built in the 80s. This is one of the first command bases that we've ever built, and it still sits here commanding. You do realize we have ancient technology here that still allows us to do some commanding, right? And you do realize I don't trust you with any of this technology because I'm afraid you're just going to break it and you're going to ruin our operations centers. One of the first to ever be built and used. Because the rest of the bases were decoys. That way the Chaos military could come in, raid them, and steal the fake, unworking items we set in there to ensure that we could use some countermeasures to ensure we wouldn't get attacked. Until they allied with us, most of those bases were destroyed, were demolished, because they couldn't just keep paying for some decoy base that did nothing. They had to pump their new money or newfound wealth into something else, and come on. But now I wish we didn't do that, because a lot of renegaders will work away from the skills of chaos renegaders. They come and attack us, they try and destroy us, and then when they realize that they fail, they ally with us. So now we're stuck fending off our other allies, and we're stuck with little to no resources half the time. The only time we ever get a lot of resources is from people like you who donate and give us stuff that we need. So we thank you a lot, actually, and no, we're not going to let you defend this base. It loops right back to this. So, no, I'm not letting you defend this base. No, I'm not letting you do anything to this base. And no, I'm not letting you see my boss, because everyone else is on vacation in everything land and defending that country, and they could easily be defending our base and preventing further attacks, but they just want to do something different, you know? I see where you're coming from. I'm kind of resources. No, we thank you a lot. We actually need these resources, so thanks. Well, then give me your G3. I'll give you the resources back. I'm good. Give me the G3, or else I'll kill you. I gave you these resources so you could actually do something productive. And you're threatening me? I'm just gonna kill you first then. You're the commander, right? Yeah? Please, don't shoot me. If you shoot me, then everyone else is gonna die. Oh, really? Show me what happens if I do shoot you in the face, right in the brain, and end up brain killing you. Everything. Steel's going to chaos because they can't. Just don't kill me, please. Alright, thanks for the insight. That wasn't any help. All I got was this cool G3 that I can't really use, because all of the enemies are my allies, and so I can't shoot anybody with this, so I might as well just give it back, because I genuinely feel bad for taking this guy's weapon. Yo, Mr. Steel, I have something for you. What is it now, man? take your G3 back. I don't need it. I already have a Mac 10. Okay, see ya. Alright, I got my Mac 10 back. Now it's time to... Oh, ow. Ouch. Better get a wheelchair. Ouch. Better get a wheelchair. Nerf. I'm glad you're deserved. Where'd that overpowered weapon go? More of that EAS scenario coming soon.